driving to work in the sunshine. Spring is coming. Eating my luxury gas station sandwich. No, I don't want to work today. It's Saturday. I shouldn't. I wouldn't. I don't want to. I can't complain though, because both the customer and the work is excellent. But I'm gonna complain anyway, because it's Saturday. I'm gonna drink beer and play some VR games. I don't want to go to work. Anywho, the machine has been acting up, so let's hold hands and pray together that the machine gods are kind to me today. Amen. So I'm looking for a fault here. I got temporary bearings in here, but it doesn't feel that awful. But the motor, I was kind of suspected it felt like it could be this, but it isn't. If you ever wonder what type of bearings are in the DMM servo motor, it's a 6204RZ. Anyway, so there's nothing wrong with it. Search continues. It's Sunday today. I was here a full day yesterday, and these 4 holes are all I managed to accomplish yesterday. So this time it was not this motor, it was that one. So I started to troubleshoot, and I retuned the servo, and I messed up the steps per millimeter, so I needed to redo those, and couldn't find anything wrong, and I started running again, and it just kept alarming out. And when I took my earphones off and the compressor was off, I could actually hear that there was more noise when this went up and down. So I was like, no, does that mean these bearings have also gone out at the same time as those? And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's Sunday today. I can't get even temporary replacement bearings right now, so here's my solution. Yeah, that's a feather, a spring, not a feather, fjäder in Swedish, but a feather, no, a spring. Just holding up quite a bit of the weight of the spindle there. I think that's gonna allow it not to, pinch, get stuck. So wish me luck. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, first run. Go. Finger on the pause button. Please do the same holes again. Yeah, that wasn't it. Yeah, okay, so we're good. We're good. False alarm. It's running. It's on point. Let's just hope the servo doesn't slip out again. Probably because of the ball bearings being shot in the ball screw support bearing. That's a girdle screw though. Oh, I can't wait for these screws to show up. They should arrive within a few weeks. Yeah, a lot of ideas, but a lot of work to do before anything really. Success! A whole program ran without issues producing those things. Time for the next sheet. Wish me luck. Success! It's going great. The machine's running beautifully. still running just fine. Awesome! I'm so happy. It's so easy to change tools now too, now that I've saved all the tool length. Oh, wonderful. Yet another sheet worked perfectly. This is looking good. That spring is really doing wonders. It's gonna have to be like that until I have time to replace that bearing. Well, and this is nice. This is how you know you have good vacuum. You can hold on to these things. Look how big that is. It's like the tip of my finger and it stayed there. Nice. Still going strong. Look at it go. Did you see that line in there? That's intentional. I left some material there to be able to remove it once I flipped it. I'll show you.